Morning, morning. Cash this in. 60 string. Let's go, bud. Has what cheese? When you tell him, decide to tell me what it is, I'll tune back in. Damn, Silver. Jeez, I'm still just waiting for you to just say it. EUV? What is EUV? Extreme ultraviolet light? Is that the machine they make the chips with? Who'd they steal that from? Seen that YCVD. Jeez. Well, Gaden Gajendar, the only difference between investing and trading is the amount of time you hold a position. I mean, there's different things I guess people look at with that time, but in general, it's just time. So we're all traders, just on different time frames. Or all of us, our goal is to buy low and sell higher. Hair over the ear, strategy nuts. You get desensitized. Both of you with the bully shoe head. Both of you. SMX daily. Spreads were an ass. THH daily, $3 spread. What's with these spreads? JMG daily. Yikes. The number one rule before I start trading is that are you telling me to squeeze one out? Or you're telling me is that your advice you're giving me, Cheese? I was red yesterday and I'm very tired right now. I slept fine. I don't know why I'm so freaking tired. Low T. This IMMP is interesting. Sir, we got a decent IPA today, don't we? Shut up, Just Jane at T12. GME? Nothing looks good yet. See. No.
Dropping off my monthly Bezos offering.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
SJ.
Thank you, Riley. 44 months, my man. I'm short on Oracle. What the hell was that? Come on. Is CoreWeave about to be freaking decked?
Hey! Ho, ho, ho!
What the hell?
Don't trip by the dip.
What is that accent? Tesla moving back up. My gosh. Bitcoin pop. That was random. Huh. It's a big pop on Bitcoin. BDRX. That one had a chance yesterday. I didn't do anything with it. This is when I shorted. It's just gone up ever since. Gotta freaking love it. ABTC.
ABTC has to turn
Boom, you're
on
in.
full-time Lolo.
Know how to pick them. Pizza Wrangler 12-17. It's a Wrangler and the
ABTC.
12-17-25. Two each at 169. Let me put it on the sheet. All right. You both are in. The new Jess. Were you, or was really Jess the new pizza? That's the question. Oh, 5,000. A pizza plant dress. News about Google and working with Meta. They're all trying to make an alternative. ZNB. Listen, I have implemented a no $1 sub. We are back on that. There is no under $1 buys. You freaking degens. Get rid of the rule. Oh my gosh. All right, fine. Screw it. But you know what? I'm trading it because I'm implementing today. If the stock goes under I might even make it 50%. 70% red in the portfolio, it's gone. It's purged. Deal? You can have your pennies, but I get to freaking purge this shit when it goes down 70%. All right, deal. Jeez, freaking shit stocks. Who was this? This is Pizza? Pizza Wrangler. 12-17-25. 7 at 0.67. What do you want, Luke? ETGN. Oh my gosh. This is the most generous shit ever. Oh my gosh. Should have known. I freaking should have known.
VTGN, take that.
Pizza. Wrangler. 5. Oops. 12. 17. 25. Can't type. 5 each at 0.80. ETGN. MSOS coming back out. Keep a watch on that one. I know that TSLL needs to get going, man. It's getting so close. SLNH.
SLNH.
Okay. Lukong. Oh my gosh, my brain just is not on today. You guys are just like the tag team here.
SLNH.
$12, so 25. 3 each at 1.49. SLNH. 0.49. Put in the spreadsheet. Boom, you both are in. Crypto's still juicing, huh? That's my neck feeling. I'm just gonna say it feels great because I don't even want to ask what you're referring to. It could be a multiple things. Looking up at the standings, could be from slobbing on that knob. I don't know. You could take it any direction you wanted. SLS. It's not doing anything really today, but interesting range. No. Pizza.
ETHCI will find the bottom if it kills me.
Oh my gosh. This thing deteriorates. Like there is no bottom. Luke won't even follow you in this one. Pizza Wrangler 12/17. Oh my gosh, my freaking brain. One at 7:02. Two Pizza Wrangler. Boom, you're in. Huh. SMX Daily working out. What is chat IPO? That's a great question, actually. MDLN, thank you. The year of the NFT returning? I doubt it. You're probably in a bear market in 2026. I'm actually looking to scoop up some NFTs. Some Mutant Apes, they're like, what, 0.6 ETH right now? And it's only going to get worse, baby. Can't wait. What's the price of a Bored Ape? I think they are around like $35,000. I think. I haven't looked in a while. WRX academic customer? What the hell does that mean? Because they're worthless. No, they're not worthless. Well, I mean, most of them are, but there is utility. And you got to think of this, right? Let me throw a little scenario to where you're like, oh shit. If hang on. I don't need tinfoil hat because we know this is gonna happen. If we're heading towards a world where we basically have no job that we can really do because AI does it better, and we're all out of jobs. Fast forward however many years, and we're in this scenario. Governments around the world couldn't come to an agreement on companies forcing companies to have a certain amount of human interaction in their company because, money. So AI takes over all the jobs. We all have universal basic income. That means no one's wealthy. Like, you're not wealthy. You're just surviving. Here's your money to survive, right? Well, there's no way for you anymore to get wealthy. You can't be smart enough to think of something to get you wealthy because guess what? AI's smarter than you. So, where's the only place that you can be wealthy? VR, baby. You buy your ticket into a VR world, that's the only place you can become wealthy. Maybe the VR doesn't allow AI interaction, maybe whatever. So now we're going to live in this is Ready Player One. This is literally Ready Player One. So if it's going that direction, maybe NFTs make a comeback then. So you just have to wait for AI world domination in all aspects of our lives. Everyone to get depressed. No reason for living anymore. Boom! VR and NFTs, baby. IRBT juicing today. Okay. Daily cock. Okay. I can get behind that. So drugs come in? Maybe. Maybe that's the only people that are going to be wealthy is the ones that can con you away from your money that you were going to use on food and instead you're going to use it on drugs. So the drug lords are going to be in charge. That's quite the utopia we're building. I'm telling you, Evan, it's going to happen. Drug lords heard it's called Big Pharma. Very true. Very true. TGL. Okay. TGL has to get over like 12 for me to take kind of notice here. MIGI. Daily on that. Okay. IRBT. Okay. Dude, those are 47.47. Jeez. That's what I was doing. I was looking up. I just looked at mutant apes the other day. I don't really pay attention to bored apes because they're kind of out of my comfort level of buying. Open see. There we go. Bored Ape Yacht Club. 5 ETH. How much is that now? 15,000 for Bored Ape? Bro. Dude, I'm gonna start looking at some Bored Apes. They got lower to go though. If we're going into a bear market, which I think we are. Weren't they 250,000 at peak? No. Bored Apes are way higher than that. MSOS here. What's Wool doing? Now that's some stupid shit right there. That game fell off hard. What's my track? Illiquid. Well, for that, it's just I actually like it. It's like one of those things I could never have, and now that I have adult money, I can have. It's one of those things, you know what I mean? Like my Star Wars garbage can. It's the same feeling. Where is it? I moved it. Where did I put it? There it is. Star Wars garbage can. Perfect. As soon as I got adult money, I bought it. $160 for that. No, 100. What did I spend? Yeah, like $160 for that, and that was like 10 years ago. No, that was like 5 years ago. My house repels what man is spending 122 ETH and trying to get back 5. Oof. Is that what some of those went for? Like if you, man, imagine being the guy that had that much and could just, you know, let it go and not care that you're buying, you know, a digital item for freaking that much money. And now you feel like you have to sell it. Like this one right here was 11 ETH last sale. Now he wants 5. I mean, that's a loss. That's a loss. Loss. Oh, this one bought it for 2.8 ETH. How'd he do that? Loss. 0.85. This had to be tax shit. 1.3. This has got to be tax shit. 18 ETH. Now he wants 5 for it. I mean, these are just. This guy must have minted it. I don't know. 53 ETH. Now he wants 6 ETH for it. He wants 18K and he bought it for 53. Holy shit. 2 years ago. 2 years ago, the man bought it for 53 ETH. Oh my gosh. That's an ass blasting right there. Oh my gosh. It's what, like 200? I don't know what that was back in 2003. Let me see what ETH might have been. $2,003. You're talking like $1,600 maybe. 1,600 times, what did I say, 53? 84,000? But It's quite the loss regardless. I thought it would be been higher. But that's quite the loss. Oh, June 23? So like right around 70. So it was like $90,000 loss he's taken. Jeez. Yes, they thought it was a good investment. Well, you got to look at the crowd that was saying it was a good investment. Like, these are people that would never, if you bought at certain times, it was certainly good trades. It was some great trades. Some of my best trades ever were NFTs. I like that freaking, I can't even remember what it was called. The one that looks like a Roblox character. What was that one? The monkey? Some Kong or something. Oh, 100%. Not Digikongs. Sevens. That was one of my worst trades. What's it called? American Cyberkong. Thank you. Yeah, let's see what those guys go for. Cyberkong. 1.4 ETH. All right, they're still up there. That's actually kind of interesting. What? This is the one I had, right? The V. Yeah, these are the ones I had. Ooh, these fell off hard. These are the ones I had. These are the ones that were supposed to be used in the world or whatever. Let's see if I can find the one I actually had. I don't. I was like a freaking. Tron. Yeah, this is what mine looked like. Which one did I have? Mine had like a chest thing, like an Iron Man chest thing. Kind of like that one. I don't think mine was smiling. I'll look at that one. See if I can. Cybercore, yeah. Is that under body accessory? Okay. Okay, maybe that was mine. Because I remember this guy. This was the best. I freaking love this thing. I'd actually maybe buy this anyway. I loved this one. This might have been mine. They used to show you that. I don't remember the It used to show you the transaction history. See if I can look this up. At least lose my money on a boob. Boo-boos. This just does not want to go down, does it? Goodness gracious. MDLN indicating 32. Activity? I thought I clicked that. There was nothing there. Oh, I see it. Okay. 4 years ago. No, he minted it. Sale. No sale. So this isn't it. Which one did I freaking have? I know I had one with a core. That might have been it. Yep, there it is. Ha! I sold that thing for $28,000. Well, is that 28,000 now or 28,000 4 years ago? I sold it for 9 ETH. Holy jeez. There it is right there. And he sold it. All right. No, he still got it. The same guy that I sold it to still owns it. He transferred it a bazillion times. Wait, what? So I sold to him. He transferred it to Alien Kong, which transferred it to Polybridge, which transferred to Alien Kong to Robot. What? Robot back to Alien Kong back to Pet, whatever. Polygon Bridge back to Alien Kong Clickety Hut, and then to this address. So he just played with himself. Why would you do that? That's it. This is one of my best trades ever. I bought it for 1.8 ETH and I sold it for 9. That was it. Yeah. And now it's worth 0.06. PCSA might be gearing up here. I don't know. Yeah, this Corey was about to freaking make me want to smash my head into the ground. So stupid. That robot giving it back. Everything I was watching is kind of ass right now. Coin. Come on. help the semis are. Oh wait, this is bearish. So XL. Okay, semis are still down. Jimmy Chuchin. KYTX popping. Interesting. Looks like pot stock's finally selling off. Well, it might be buy the rumor, sell the news. I think it's going to be a pretty big sell the news event if and when it gets rescheduled. I can't find a single stock I really like right now. Maybe one of these IPOs today juices us. Kuyaku? I don't know what that is, but I still have my sevens, yeah. That's a forever piece. Those are worthless. You want to talk about worthless? Sevens. .01. $38. From 20 grand to 38 bucks. Well, I don't know which one I had. Something like that. Is mine kind of look like that? I don't know if that's it. I guess I could go to my wallet and look. What did I buy this thing for? 6/8. 23K. So that was my worst trade ever. So basically what I made on that Kong, I lost on the 7. $8.40 here on this guy. Am I green today? Well, I won't be when I sell this CoreWeave that's somehow going the opposite direction as freaking NVIDIA, which it never does, but you know, because I'm in it, it will. This is failing. Great. Was a W I was hoping it would hit, but nope. Instead we go down. $1,000 loser. Woo! Woo! Hot damn. You know, I have all those tokens. I just have no idea where they are or even how to sell them. I'm sure I have a ton of tokens. I don't know what they're worth. Probably nothing now. CoreWave gonna get me green. It should. Nvidia is tanking right now, and CoreWave literally follows Nvidia, and it's not right now. It's pissing me off. Do I still play with Dookie? I keep up with it. The Dookie Dash game is now mobile only, and I hate it. That was stupid of them. But other side, the has anyone? Probably not. The other side game that they made, not Bored Apes, but Yuga Labs in general, is supposed to be really good looking. So I'm interested in looking at it. Shower. Nvidia's tanking. We literally bought the top on Nvidia, boys. Gonna have to average down on one of these days. Maybe someone wants to do a self purge and I double it and we buy more Nvidia. The sheep crypto game, it's still there. It's just worthless. I know that one was shocking, right? I mean, who would have thought that a game around farming sheep might go belly up worthless? Wizard Tower NFT game? I never played that. What are you talking about? I played the wool one. Well, I tried to anyway. What was that one called? Sheep? I think it's just called Sheep Game, right? Sheep Game. They changed. They changed. Or no, Wolf Game. That's what it was called. Wolf Game. There it is. Yeah, that might have fallen off a little bit. 0.04. $140. These, on average, we're going for like $15,000. Oof. Wizards and Dragons. I don't remember that one. I never bought a Wizards and Dragons. Oh, hey, CoreWave, you decided to freaking dump finally. Thank you so much. You got to get under 66, though. I still have my mutant ape. I'll always have one mutant ape or one bored ape. If I ever get a bored ape. That's like the club I like being a part of. I like being associated with that. It's still my online showing of, hey, I'm an OG in the space. I sold a wolf bag for $15K. Jeez. Yeah, this is definitely going to crash. Nvidia is just taking a shit here. Liu Kong, look at that SLV, brother. Up 1% there, up 3% there. Let's go. Bringing some positivity back to the ETF meta. Let's go. Look at this. Look at the freaking bounces on this thing. Can we please crush through the 66 and never look back? Is this some magic? Oh. Yeah, there shouldn't be this much resistance here. Or support, I should say. EDV. Well, we need to have extended duration treasury ETF. That sounds boring as shit. Robot. Bored apes. I know. 15,000 you can have a bored ape. 15. I'm actually tempted, but I feel like it could come down to 10. Come on, break this 66 and say nothing. At 10, I buy my second. No. I'm not putting no 30,000 into these digital monkeys, okay? This is not 2020 or 2020. Let's be clear. What would be 25? What do you mean, what would be 25? Oh, I see what you're saying. So own 2 with a 25,000 total. Yeah, no, I ain't doing that. That's too much money for digital monkeys that haven't had any extra reason to own them besides status symbol. Like, Yugo's really dropping the ball there. They should really continue to build on those that have those things, but they don't. There we go. There's the break. Can we go low a day? Thank you. Retest to 66. Ooh, didn't get, oh, got it. Maybe not. And back over 6. I hate this thing. Put 25K. If I want to light money on fire, that's the DGen way to do it. There is literally nothing I am in love with right now. Up or down. tick isn't even. I mean, the tick is minus 600 right now, 650. This market just chilling today. Is there data coming up that I don't know about? What was the unemployment rate today was 4.6%, and the consensus was 4.4. Is that right? That was yesterday, though, right? That was yesterday. Oh, that explains a few things. Odd witching week, is it? What do we think Trump's going to say today? I have absolutely no idea. You don't go on TV and ask for prime time just to do a circle jerk on yourself. I actually think there's going to be substance. War on Venezuela. The justification of bombing Venezuela. I don't know. I don't think you're going to do that in December. I don't think you're going to make a war proclamation in, 8 days from Christmas. He's got a new Bible coming out, the Trump Bible. He's pounding his chest. Confirm aliens. Struck from Epstein. Is that back in the news? CWB. So I'm pulling for you to get a 7-4. Best player this week. Well, yep, that's what happens. And I got another injury, rip. So, there's that. So sick of this shit. I hate my team this year. I didn't get anybody I really was like, yes, I want. See, Pop is gonna freak. Go to Woo to send funds. Family, and they say no because of yesterday's change. Wait. Local VZ Pop is gonna freak when you go to Western Union to send funds to family. I don't even know what you're talking about or what you mean. All right, now we're touching minus 1,000 on the tick. Getting there. Q's falling off. SPY kind of yesterday's lows. 675 basically. Oh, you're talking Venezuela. See, you capitalized VZ. So I'm thinking Verizon. Jesus, jeez. This is the shit I gotta deal with. Is there a headline attached to this energy I'm messing, or we're just bleeding out today? So, you're talking about like oil moving? The only thing I can think of is if we're going to start bombing Venezuela. I mean, we've already captured, or not captured, but you know, an oil tanker, whatever that is now. Are we gonna mess with their oil supply? Probably not, but it's certainly gonna be, oil is certainly gonna be sensitive to that. The Oracle headline, which I still don't even know what it is. Oracle is fun. Oracle. Gotta see what the FUD was. Oh, the mission. Are you talking about the data center deal? Oracle says Michigan data center equity deal is on schedule. Yeah. Selling half here, 65. And crypto just gave back every bit of that pop. Yeah, I'm just kind of sticking with it that I'm not interested in crypto right now. It's just too yuckity yuck. The monthly looks like ass. The weekly, now we got another cut going on the weekly. We're squeezing to the downside. The moving averages on the weekly are horseshit. Like, you're gonna have violent pops, no doubt, but I don't care. The river is still flowing down, baby. Jeez, that is ugly. Saved. Data centers. Oh yeah, they're trying to put them everywhere. That's what I was talking about. Is freaking yesterday, man. Our power bills are not slowing down anytime soon. Down 2K on the day. Salty. Freaking A. I feel that. The moves are definitely to the downside right now.
Filthy animals.
Savage, let's go with the freaking Christmas Vacation reference. Best holiday movie of all time. I'm pretty sure it's Christmas Vacation followed by Christmas Story. Am I wrong in that order? Well, I know I'm not wrong in that order, but is there anything that could supplant Christmas Story? Wonderful Life? Die Hard as a Christmas movie. That is debatable. The only thing I could think of is maybe Rudolph, the claymation one or stop motion one or whatever they call that. Elf is not top 3. iRobot trying to go in again. Grinch, nah. Watch this iRobot curl. Home Alone. The setting was Christmas. I mean, that could be top. But like, you don't think of Home Alone. Home Alone you can watch year round, right? You don't think of it as, I'm only going to watch this movie during Christmas. So that's why I disqualify it. Hey, I gave it to you. 8-Bit Christmas. What is that? 8-Bit. The hell is this? Never even heard of this. I don't know what that is. Home Alone is a Christmas movie? I don't know about that. Looney's all about that one. Information, the long piece on MU coming from Bandit Chuck. Jurassic Park. Like Christmas Story, but with a baby. See, that's the thing, though. I mean, that just sounds like you're copying a different story. Something original. Something that you're like, yes, that is Christmas. I can think of Christmas Vacation, Christmas Story, and like if you really want to go back, the stupid stop motion Rudolph movie. I can't put Home Alone there. I don't think of Home Alone as I know it happens during Christmas, but I don't think of it as Christmas. Polar Express. Die Hard. I mean, that's like an alternate. I mean, no one's sitting around with the family to watch Die Hard at Christmas time. We are. Charlie Brown's Christmas. That one's the forgotten one. Bad Santa. Harry Potter. Yeah, Harry Potter's a Christmas movie too. I actually have never seen Bad Santa. Charlie takes Lucy to downtown Browntown. Oh my gosh. Fraggle Rock Christmas. Wow, you're throwing it back. I used to love me some Fraggle Rock. Brain Pass is not used since the 90s. Nightmare Before Christmas. Yeah, but no one's watching that at Christmas time. No one's watching it. Christmas Vacation is still is it. I don't know, Margot. Don't know, Margot. Dude, there's nothing looking decent. Right. Speculation. Speculation of Morgan Stanley and Micron? Doing what? PRs today. Ah, thank you, Cheese. Did I say Micron? It was MicroStrategy. Did I say? I might have said Micron. Yeah, sorry, I didn't mean to. It was MicroStrategy. It was Sailor showing a picture of Morgan Stanley. Somehow it's Sailor posting a picture with Morgan Stanley or at Morgan Stanley. I don't know. How much RAM? A billion human. TGL. That's a nice little pop. Waking up here. Color. Thank you, cheese. Huh. Interesting. Okay, TGL. Okay, that's much different. Got my attention now. What was the other one? TGW? No. There was a TGL and was it TWG? Yeah. Let's keep an eye on this one. This TGL opens up today. AMTD and HKD news. What do they got? Mother Boomy achieves remarkable success at International Film Festival. Okay. I'm sure it does. Robot chilling. This is coming back up. This PC SA, is that hold it up? Yep. Okay. There it is. One eight. Got it. Come on, don't run out of gas already. Nope. Was hoping it would hold 8 and then go for the 840. Nope. Oof, that 750 was kind of hot. You get a 750 crack or nah? A cock. Nothing. Market's getting 1160 on the tick. This is when I take notice. I could short this, which can't. Jeez. Netflix taking a dump, huh? Yes, one day, man. Roger. Might be time to button them up then, huh? Yeah. What's NVIDIA at right now? Closing it out. I don't know what we do here, but I can always re-enter with this time with shares. It's a good trade. And I got to poop. Oh, there's that. Let me go potty. Be right back. Cash trade. Yeah, yada yada. Homie makes 40% on an investment. He's complaining. I see that guac. Yeah. SLV. Freaking chooching. Freaking chooching. What did gold end up doing? Yikes. Wait. There's got to be a better ticker that tracks gold. What's a better ticker? Draining it one day. Yeah, not a good look at all. GC. Okay, how about one I can pull up? GLD. Okay, that's better. Jeez, look at that. Is AI doomed? What do you mean? Like the AI plays? As a stock trade? I don't know. I mean, this is a massive level we're approaching here. $170. Man, I kind of hope we flush 170 and I can buy some long dated calls or next week calls. This is just kind of crazy down here. AI trade. I mean, December's weird, man. It's like you got people profit taking, getting ready for the new year, selling losers, balancing portfolios. It's just a weird month. November can be like that too. So it's just a hard time. I don't really want to judge what goes on in December and say that's what's going to happen. We know that all the money is going into AI right now. Companies' stocks are getting wrecked because they're saying how much they're going to be putting into data centers, AI, blah, blah, blah. That's where the money's going. That's where I want to trade. Can you find some that aren't ridiculously overpriced right now? I mean, that's the fun part, but I CBD. CBD Medicare coverage potential is what Marijuana Moment is saying. Giving a pop here from Beta Chuck. All right. Thank you, Beta Chuck. That was from Marijuana Moment. Trump's marijuana rescheduling order could include industry banking and CBD Medicare coverage provisions. A lot of could in that. Enough to pop it, though. Apparently, it's all going to silver. And then the robots come. They need to, yeah. Like if you want to find a play that probably hasn't taken off yet, it's the robot play, and then you just have to gauge yourself. How far out is that? Like, is that really that close? I feel like it's not. I mean, like, right now, the Tesla robot thing, like, you can tell it to do stuff, but I'm imagining a lot of times it's going to need the human to jump into it and direct it. So, like, how quickly can it learn the new task with the human help? I don't know. We don't know. Whenever that goes live, we'll know real quick how close or how far away the robot play is. I think it's going to be a lot easier to get the factories / warehouses, whatever, like the Amazons of the world, and they're already using robots like crazy. I think that play happens first. It's a lot easier. It's all about the hand, and it solved it. Yeah, that's a good point. But like again, I think it's all about. Oh, there's the Marijuana Moment play right there. It's I think we're gonna get. I think we're gonna get the factories, warehouses, whatever, the things that can do repetitive tasks. I think that will accelerate and replace jobs first, rather than maybe a George Jetson in-home robot for everybody. But who knows? You get general intelligence, then maybe it speeds it all up, figuring those things out. I don't know. Bring on the sex robots. Why is CBD getting a bid? Damn, that was a 400,000 share buyer. Dude, if there's talk that CBD gets Medicare coverage, that's the play. We green yet? Freaking A, we're not green yet. Well, one chart that I'm happy I'm in still is Rivian. With today's bloodbath going on in the markets, this thing is still green. That is incredibly positive. Silver chooching. %4. 4% there, Liu Kong. Palladium. Jeez. What's a copper play? That's gold. What's copper? What's a copper play? I don't know what copper's doing. HG. What about HG? Why is SLV up so much? I mean, maybe an inflation play. I don't know what's going on. They've lagged for quite some time, so maybe metals are playing catch up. No idea. How do you think the market is going to move if Supreme Court rules against tariffs? I think the market won't react one bit or another. I think it's pretty clear that there are multiple avenues. The White House has said this, but also commentators also tend to agree with the outlook that even if the Supreme Court shoots down this one way of tariffs, there are multiple other ways to achieve the same goal. It's equivalent of you have a roadblock ahead, but there's a side road that gets around this roadblock. So until every one of those side quests, so to speak, side roads get shut down, that they're not going away. It's not like magically we're gonna take off tariffs and or repay what we've recouped in tariffs. Oh, what a headline. Isn't that just something? What a headline for an OpenAI. Just at some major areas. We have a lot more in store. We need a lot more compute. Isn't that just a coinky dink? The timing. Just so amazing, isn't it? But when the current tariffs collected be refunded to companies, yeah, I just don't see that happening. Like I said, there's more than one way to skin a cat. And the administration has said that. People on TV who know a lot more than I do seem to agree with that. Am I doing a turducken? I have no idea what I'm doing. I haven't even thought about it. DMs. That's I don't know, Luke. That information isn't public. Like, it's just guessing. I don't think those big banks would get that. It's just guesswork. Well, the silver trade, you think a lot of it, I mean, it's following gold, right? Maybe it broke out a little bit before, I don't know, before gold. Silver has always been thought of as overplayed. More silver is traded on paper than actual silver out there. And it's always been thought of as someday you'll have the epic short squeeze of silver, but it never, I mean, I've heard about this ever since I started like trading. And I don't know. Maybe you're going to get it to some degree. Maybe it's just falling because I don't know. Does any of the tech that's out there use silver? I don't know. Banks covering. Maybe. I mean, maybe. I don't know how they get that information. That stuff isn't public. That's my problem with all this stuff is you see it, but how do they have that information? All right, gee. Today's gold rally pales by the 1970s. So it really hasn't done anything, is what you're saying? I don't know. It's all speculation right now. ANDG open. TGL, trying here. See if we get maybe a 2-point diagonal. SHFS, what's that? Interesting daily. Do you think we'll get a Roaring Kitty tweet before the year end? Probably not. Dude's been at MIA. Watch defense. Bill has majority. $900 billion. Brain is turning off right now. TX. Thank you. Yeah, it's beyond slow right now. This is stupid. Tell Ray I just took a shit. Is this a 1 minute chart or it's a one? Imagine Trump walks out with a blunt. Yeah, I just don't know what tonight's about. It's certainly going to be something that I'm going to have to watch and have crypto open just in case something is, you know, massively changing for economics. Crypto would certainly move. Or hell, maybe he makes a crypto statement. I don't know. I don't know what you could, 8 days before Christmas, go prime time for the first time of your new administration. What on earth are you going to say? AMC. They go in the opposite direction. Suck a dick, cheese. suck a dick, cheese. TGL. Meh. Good God. Everything just didn't even get started today. No, I won't. I have no idea what you're talking about. Speak English here, cheese. If you keep capitalizing Venezuela like Verizon, I'm going to slap you. Can you at least say then? Like a normal. Just then? Or maybe the president's name of Venezuela. None of us trade VZ. Literally, VZ is like the ticker I go to when shit hits the fan. That and AT&T. I want to see if those two are moving. Yet you chose to capitalize. I mean, even I can't even do it here. I just can't even. Jimmy still chooching. It's weird. This didn't change. Okay. Sweet. My charts decided to stop moving. Okay. Now we're going to have to restart. Because that's normal. Oh, there they go. Had to play catch up there for a second. Silver still chooching. Jesus. Holy hell, man. Everything is so just dead. I am really liking what Rivian's doing right now. Really liking it. That could change, but right now, it's like, yeah. Yeah. The only thing that's green on my watch list is pot stocks, silk metals, and Rivian. Meta. I haven't looked at it today. Oh, that's green. Look at it go. There you go, Meta. Until they file for bankruptcy. Yeah, they could. When you're losing thousands of dollars per car, you got to think an offering's coming, right? Hey, Luke, how about this NBY here, bud? You're damn near double. It's actually 50%. Is it? Well, that just tells you what's on my watch list. When did you buy it? You don't even remember? It's only 7 days ago. Never heard of them. I remember you buying this. What are you talking about? Oh my gosh. Wow. Don't remember it at all. Now that's funny. You know what? I wonder if Jess bought it. I since when she closed out her positions, I delete the name from the chart. So I wonder if she bought it and you followed her. UMAX sitting on the daily 200. Very interesting. Last, when it tapped it the first time here, it did bounce pretty good before eventually breaking through. But traditionally, it looks to be an area that it will bounce off of. This was all underside tests, and then it broke through. Another 200-day moving average bounce there. Is this a buy here? I'll try it. I wish the oscillators were a little deeper. But it's a pretty easy risk reward. Under $9 out. Over $9 green. Damn, Luke. Well, the thing about GME now is it's so attached to Bitcoin. And Bitcoin ain't looking so hot right now. DLN is quoting 36. Jeez. guy. Bongino's leaving the FBI? Why is Rumble moving on that? Why did Rumble move on that beta? Oh, Dan Bongino. He streamed on Rumble, didn't he? I see. Dan Bongino leaving the FBI after 1 year. Not even. I mean, is this what we come to? Trading GME today, huh? Dirty Dan, let's go, bud. 41 months, my man. Hello. What the absolute hell just happened? My OBS just absolutely dicked itself. Okay. Wow. It completely just screwed itself. Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow. Thank you so much, OBS. What is this shit? What are you doing? All right. Well, if my shit crashes, you'll know. NVS close to making a deal with the White House on pricing. I mean, nothing moves today. MDLN open. $35? Suck a dick. Where did my chat go? Good God, dude, man. OBS has really screwed me up right here. Why is this here? Here, I got it. There. Did we fix it? Nope, we did not. Oh, OBS pissed me off. I might have to restart it. It's sitting here flashing like this, like freaking strobe lights. Like is there a reset UI? Probably not.